Hey guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I am going to be encapsulating some glitters, and we are going to be doing a neon French design. I am using not polished monomer, and it did not work for me. It did not cure. It took about 20 minutes to cure. And then when I went to file my nails, it completely filed off everything. So I am going to get in touch with, I got in touch with Not Polish, and I told you guys this in my previous video. It was a bit struggle to deal with them, but in the end, I have to call Tulip Nail Supply, which is a nail supply that I got it from. So I'm going to show you guys this design. I ended up redoing the nails off camera, but the design that I did is very, very similar. I am using HCS Nail Art, their glitter here in Lemon Crush. It is a beautiful mylar yellow glitter, and then I'm using a cover nude here, and I'm using this number 8 brush from Nail Supply Glamour, and then I'm going to be using a Zoeve acrylic, and that is the neon yellow color. So so sorry I'm out of frame here, but yeah, we are doing French nails today. We're going to be doing a neon design. And I did go in here with Not Polished Nude Panther on this nail to create the French, and then we are going to go in and file that line really, really crisp once the acrylic dries. And yeah. Alright guys, so here I'm going in with this Zoeve color. This is like a glitter. It has yellow and green glitters in it. It's super, super pretty. I really, really like this color. So I am just putting this on the middle finger. And then I do believe I go over that with the yellow mylar. So I just put the yellow mylar directly into this green yellow glitter. This is going to be a neon set, and it's looking super, super cute already. This was an infill, you guys. I had previous nails on. I filed it down to the clear base using an extra coarse safety drill bit that I got on Amazon. I did it on a pretty high speed until I got down to that clear base. I did apply clear all over the nails before I applied my design here. I really like to do that. That way it gives you something to file back to. And I do believe I'm going to be doing an ombre on these nails, and we're going to be doing the Not Polished Nude Panther to ombre these nails. But first of all, we are placing this glitter color. Again, this is a green yellow glitter from Zoeve. And this is a voiceover, guys, so I forgot I did use the yellow here to ombre. So this is a neon yellow color from Zoeve, and it is super, super pretty. I usually am not a fan of neons, but I have to say, you guys, I love the way this yellow looked. It was super, super cute and still super girly, even though it was neon. I really, really liked it. So if you're afraid of neons, give them a try. I'm usually not a fan, but I actually really, really like the way that this one turned out. And then here I'm going in to do the French. So I take a big bead, I place it on the tip, and then I slowly press and mold it into the sides around the crevice of that smile line. And it is totally okay if you get some acrylic on the smile line. That's why you make the French on the nail bed a little bit raised, so that you can go in and just file right on top of that nail bed area to get any acrylic off. But it is super, super important when we are doing French that you make sure you pile up that color on the sides, especially so you do not, so you get the true opacity of the color. Again, don't worry if it gets on the nail bed. You can always file that nail bed and it will file right off, and then you can go ahead and encapsulate. So I am doing that here, just making sure that I have a really, really good color opacity of that neon yellow on the French. Alright, you guys, so I'm doing the same thing on this pinky, going around the smile line and making sure that I get a really, really nice opaque neon yellow around the area of the smile line. And again, if you get it on the nail bed, do not worry. You can always file on the nail bed before you encapsulate. And this will get your French looking super, super crisp and clean. And you guys, make sure you do subscribe. I'm growing and I'm so, so excited. Thankful for each and every one of you trying to hit 1,000. So I would be grateful if you would subscribe. I have a super, super exciting Halloween collab set up where I will be posting collabs with 12 lovely nail art ladies. I will be posting every week in October, and make sure you subscribe to know what the themes are. They are super, super fun. And yeah, I also have some hauls coming up. I have some more crystals and nail charms from AliExpress. I have a triple D haul where I go over my first impressions of their dip liquids, and I did get a few dip powders from them as well. I also got some fun AliExpress nail art stickers, some designer stickers, some flowers, and I did win some giveaways, so those are exciting and coming in the mail soon. So make sure you guys subscribe to see all that happening. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys what I actually ended up doing, because again, this set did file off when I was filing. But here I did add just some mylar on top of these, and then I'm going to encapsulate. And at the end, I'm going to show you guys the photo of the nails I recreated after these filed off. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned till the end.